Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Happy New Year, Virgos. Before we start the reading, so for your daily energies, Virgos, I'll be picking few cards, guys. For your career situation and relationship, we'll be picking few more cards. So first, for your daily reading, Virgos, these are the cards. For your career situation, guys, first for your relationship today, guys, we are picking cards for your relationship first today, and then for your career situation. So these are for your relationship, guys, Virgos, and these cards are for your career situation. So I will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, Virgos. So let's start with the daily reading first. So let's see what are the cards. 6 of water, 2 of water, and messenger of water. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, but if you want a more detailed answers for your career or personal life, you must watch for the other cards, guys. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are just thinking of something from your past, maybe yearning for that good old days to come towards you, and you are simply wishing those days were here right now, and you are not aware of what is there right in front of you. So you need to have that understanding, guys. So Virgos, maybe you are thinking about your maybe in your past regarding how the circumstances were before, and you are just hoping for those things to come back, but that is not in reality, guys. Those days are gone. So you need to have that understanding. Heal yourself, try to heal yourself to overcome this feeling that you have today. And maybe today you are moving towards something positive in your career, or it may be in your personal life, some positive partnerships that are coming towards you. It may be in your career some business collaborations, or again if it is something to do with your relationship, this may be a new person coming in, but you need to give up that comparison you have in your mind with your past relationship. Only then you will have that meaningful positive connection with this present person, guys. You will be able to flourish in this connection. So that is also what I see, guys. Some positive changes in your career or something in your work situation. And also you need not fear how your future is going to be. So maybe some apprehensions you have in your situation today, in your career, worrying how things may go. But this is a time you are having that confidence in your heart, that strength, and people admire you a lot. So maybe things will go towards that beautiful positive way in your career and in your personal life, guys. So Virgos, you need not worry how things are going, because you are at your best today, guys. So things will go for your benefit. That is what I see, Virgos. Let us see what are these cards for your love situation first, Virgos. 4 of air, King of fire, King of earth. So with these cards for your relationship, guys, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So in this relationship with this person, you feel that they are inspiring you each and every day. This may be your energy, guys, or their energy. With the previous cards also, we saw that people are having that attraction and admiration for you, and they are having that positive vibration vibe towards you. So again we see the same energy with these cards. You feel that this person is inspiring you, or they feel that you are inspiring them, and they have that strength and confidence because of the way you are, because of the way you handle your situation, and the way you do anything in this connection, guys. So they have that confidence in you, and you are a person who is very talented, skilled, and you are a leader. By your qualities, you simply are very responsible, take care of this person, you respect this person and you take care of them, and you are always responsible, and they feel that they can rely on you, have that trust in you. And maybe for some of you, you are still comparing this person with your past person. So and you are still working, trying to give up your past memories, those hurtful memories that you had, and you are healing yourself, guys. So I also see that you are trying to heal yourself to come in with that greater potential for this connection. You love this person and you are healing from your past to have a meaningful relationship with this present person, guys. So that is also what I see with these cards, Virgos. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation. 5 of Earth, Hierophant, and Ace of Air. So with these cards in your career situation, guys, you are having that responsible attitude today, commitment. You are a person who is really responsible, and you are committed to your goals and aspirations. And Virgos, I also see that if you take up meditation as a practice every day, it will unleash a greater potential in you, guys. So you will be able to handle your situation even with much more vigor and talent, skills and ability. If you take up meditation, it will help you a lot, guys. So I also see that things are changing greatly in your career situation. So however things are destined to reach you, it is coming towards you. Maybe on certain things you may see the results before that expected timeline, but in certain things it may not be so. The reasons may be your destiny. So whatever efforts you have put in, you are reaping that results today, guys. And I also see that in certain things that you may feel that you are not quite successful, and you may be stressed and sad because of that, but in truth you are successful today, and this illusion of loss is just this sadness you feel for this loss, it's just an illusion, guys. So it is not what it seems. So something even better than before is coming towards you, and you need not fear that things will go badly. You need to count your blessings today, guys. So all that you are getting today, those treasures that you have at hand are much more than what you expected. So you have to have that happiness in your situation for all that is there, and that abundance, that prosperous times are waiting to unfold in your life today, Virgos. So you need not worry how things are going today, and you need not feel sad for what you are expecting is not coming towards you. But something better than that is coming towards you guys. That may be the reason you may see some delays or something not working right as according to your expectation, guys. But you need not worry. That is what I see with these cards, Virgos. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.